Hello everyone, we are Large Group 9. Our team members are Yang Yuxia, Ma Song, Zhou Hanwen, and Shen Shaohong. Three of us major in software engineering and one major in information management. We are really sorry about our poor presentation on Thursday, so we record a new one. Hope you will like it. Our product is called ClearBay Blockchain Accounting System, and next I will introduce the current state of our accounting system. In the current accounting, records are maintained and stored in a centralized location, typically in the database. The model of accounting is based on a double entry system. In current accounting system, we need a lot of accountant staff to do the job. Normally, the accountant will enter all records in the system and perform all the necessary changes. When the client asks to check the accounting information, the accountant will retrieve the data and avail it to the requesting party. And only the accountant and auditor have direct access to the centralized location. With the advent of the era of data, more and more merchants and more payment methods are available, especially for the emerging online payments. These developments have led to chaotic merchant relationships, inefficient financial reconciliation, and complex settlement requirements. Also, some platforms who don't have payment license may hold money and form a fund pool, which may cause a systematic fund risk and cannot be supervised by regulators. Therefore, a more efficient and secure accounting system is needed to help merchants solve these problems and facilitate regulatory management. We want to build such a system through blockchain. You may want to ask why blockchain? With help of blockchain, our products will be more competitive because at first, blockchain introduced a real-time processing, so there is no waiting for transactions. This means that the accountant does not need to repeat the input, and the blockchain can automatically record every business activity. Secondly, all authorized personnel can access the transaction. The advantage of this is that all transactions are transparent. Finally, and most important, high autonomy. In our accounting system, we came up with a smart contract, according to which the division of accounts can be highly automated. And next, my partner will introduce the proposed product for you.
Okay, next I will introduce the proposed product to give you guys a more global understanding of the product. At first, we are a 2B product. That means we mainly provide the system for company. In view of the difficulties faced by business and merchant with complex relationship and complex account allocation and settlement, our system will cooperate with banks to provide the merchant with a multi-level account allocation system. For example, let's look at the picture. Our system could provide a multiple method for merchant to get the payment from consumers. Then the system will log the transactions into blockchain, finally splitting the plot fat automated to platforms, suppliers, sales, and agent according to contract previously signed. The contract means per set accounting rules. For example, as a platform, we can get 5% profit as which is also our business model. The function the system have, such as provide multiple payment channel connection, various settlement modes, flexible accounting management. What is our main function? The enterprise can proceed accounting management through the configuration of rule parameters. It can also implement free account separating through the open API interface, which is convenient. And last, the efficient financial reconciliation, which is cooperate with banks. Next, my teammate Han-Wen will introduce our building blocks.
Hello everyone, I'll introduce the building block part. According to the figure shown on the screen, our building blocks can be divided into three parts: the front-end part, back-end part, and the blockchain system. Firstly, the front-end system is a user interface to help merchants manage the payment collected from consumers through multiple payment channels. One line of code accessed through API can connect them to our system. It includes multiple visualized tools such as a payment integration, accounting query, and setting interface we shown before. In the backend part, we acquire transaction information from our blockchain system to realize the functions of automatic recording, account sharing, and we also try to do the backup storage with private cloud to satisfy the needs of big data computing. In the blockchain system, we connect to the system of payment platforms to track and record every accounting bill in real time, such as the user account, funds amount, and timestamp information. Next, I would like to introduce our core technology, that is, how our blockchain system records the accounting information. Step 1 splits the three-party transaction into multiple autonomic transactions according to the user and the account, enters into the original three-party transaction and the atomic transaction to encapsulate into a composite transaction. Step 2 packages the multiple composite transactions and performs consensus to form a blockchain, and then divides atomic transactions within the blocks, which are grouped by user account and sorted in chronological order. Step 3. Non-quantitative information obtains the last relevant transaction and is updated to the final state value. Step 4. For quantitative information, transactions grouped by user accounts are classified by funds. The asset accounts are merged to calculate the intermediate value of the account's change.
Next, I will introduce the business model of our product. I will illustrate our business model from 9 aspects shown in the following picture. First, our key partners are banks who issue bank cards and provide financial products, regulators who make rules, and third-party payment platforms. Second, our key activities are offering simple and fast payment experience, efficient profit separating management to our customers. They can learn flexible segment control and obtain fully automatic reconciliation and bookkeeping. Third, our key resources are blockchain technology, related regulations, and some necessary financial knowledge. Next page. Fourth, our value proposition is to avoid the violation of regulations and build an efficient and professional ledger system. Fifth, the relation between us and the customers is cooperation. We usually learn from each other. Sixth, there are 3 channels of our product. We plan to raise our awareness by online advertising, telephone sales, and field marketing. 7. Our customers should be enterprises who use online payment and need powerful ledger system, who are eager to avoid the violation of regulations, who want to save time and have faith in blockchain technology. 8. The cost of our business is mainly composed of building a blockchain ledger system, the funding we invest into research and development, the renting fee for our office, the market expense to increase the market share, and hiring expense to hire professional employees. Last, the revenue streams, which is the way we make a profit. We charge fees for services such as safety compliance and funding management. We will also sell memberships for all functions of our product. Next page. The last part is our target and the financial plan. Next page, please. First is our target timeline. We plan to launch our product in 2021 Q2, and we plan to start to make a profit at the end of 2022. and the red words are our plan of financing. Next page is our use of funding. First, as a technology-driven company, 40% of the money will be invested into the research and development, so we can have the most sophisticated technology. We will buy or rent the research equipment and purchase patents. We will also pursue technical training to improve the professional skills. 25% of the money will be used to build a professional team. We will hire 20 research staff at the first stage, and we want our IT staff and researchers to be the core members. We will also hire experienced management staff. 20% of the funding will be put in the public relations. We will dig deep into the regulations and also the rules of banks. 15% will be put into the market expense to increase market share. We will operate our own website and blog and provide a free trial to seek for initial customer at the early stage. Also, we will put advertisements on Baidu, Google, and launch professional conferences to increase the awareness. That's all for our presentation, and thank you for listening.